All right, here we are, September 25th, 22. Latest update. Running good. Just pulled her out of the garage. I just put the bump stops on yesterday, shocks last week, new tires and wheels, wheel spacers, some spider tracks. Let's do a little walk around. Got the cage back in there. Handles much better now that you have shocks on. Looking good. Exhaust system's working great. Waiting on seat belts to come in. I'll bolt those into the roll cage and the floor. Put the hood on, tailgate on, windshield frame on, and then I'll be able to get it smogged and registered. And prepping it for some small trips, shakedown trips, and some easy trails, highway. That's what it looks like. Let's take a look in here. You can see Bilstein shocks, bump stop, new tires and wheels, EFG, mud terrain, KM3s, 35, 12, 50, 15s, fake beadlock wheels. Got the cage in, looking good. It's all bolted down to the floor, through to the frame. Dash is working good. I got the grab handle we'll be putting in today. Rear bump stop. Shock back in there. I'll be putting the sway bar and the disconnects on today as well. And then I need to work on painting the rear bumper, and I'm going to pull the air cleaner assembly out of here and paint that. That's looking a little bit old. Otherwise, the engine's good. Eventually I'll get on the dual battery setup. I got the batteries and she's good to go.